large quicksell that I'm going to be doing real quickly. And yeah, I'm going to take a screenshot of it, just so, yeah, why not? And I'm going to be claiming and continue. I feel a good 25k, but it's a 50k, which is actually quite good. I can do that. And yeah, that's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back at you with... Actually, why not? I'll do it right now. Why not go for it? Ooh, new scrimmage. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna do this quick scrimmage, yeah. Quick scrimmage. What is going on? You guys see this garbage? Also, I'll bet up to my man Gershon. Besides that, okay, we don't care about your celebrations, do you guys? Okay, I'm feeling a Doug Baldwin. That was him. See, this game has that cheese that I just don't like. See, that's cheese animations right there. Cheese animations. Can he get it? And he does. Whew, that was a close one. Let's pick that up. You need to get those game clan. Ooh, 1,000. How lucky. Again, and I'm gonna buy a player actually while you guys are here with me. Okay, let's go to the auctions and let's look for an elite. We need somebody on defense, but I don't know, should I snag Marshawn Lynch? Nah, I don't really want him. Do I? No, I could pop a Julio Jones, but I don't know. Okay, let's look for... Okay, Odell. I'm gonna go with that wide receiver, though. I want to pick him up, but I don't know. Okay, I just picked up Odell. I could sell him for a good 60k. Everybody's looking for one. And I can also sell Mike Evans. And that's my offense. I'm gonna go try to pick up like, ooh, I could buy a pro pack. Why not? And yeah, thanks